Asuntoskeittiö Keravan Kaukonpolku 6 Kerava staircase I.
Ja, Kaukonpolku 6 staircase I Kerava, Charvo. Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. 4 persons or 325 grams. Built in 1977, turned 40 years old in 2017. H37357, 6 floors. It will be inspected this year, 2019. And today is the 10th of August 2019. It was actually inspected on 10th of August 2017, so today it should have been inspected when we are filming today.
Yeah.
2 years later. And that's a coincidence. A strange coincidence.
Yeah.
Another ride.
Yeah. Spectac by spectac maintained by one lift.
Yeah, unfortunately by one lift, then one lift will rise it.
Yeah.
You can try and see if the code also goes to the residential building next to this.
Yeah.
And then pictures.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it.